Here are some sheep and lambs. And guess what? I touched one. Whoa! Here's me, my friend Tyra, and some others in the sheep paddock. We watched a really cool video about a cardboard rocket that a boy and girl flew with their imagination. Whoa! We'll fly to Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, and Pluto. Yippee! Woohoo! Okay, off we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! This is Mercury. Come on, let's explore. It takes Mercury 88 days to orbit the Sun because it is the closest planet to the Sun. This is Venus. Come on, let's go. Whoa, I didn't know Venus looked like this. Mars, it's as rusty as a nail. That is pretty rusty. Jupiter is a gas giant. Cool. Jupiter has a great red spot. It is so big. All the 4 planets closest to the Sun could fit into it with room to spare. This is Saturn. Aren't those rings pretty? I wonder what they're made out of. I didn't know Saturn's rings were made of rocks and ice. Saturn is so light that if you had a big enough cup of hot chocolate, it would float just like a marshmallow. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are the 4 rocky midgets. They are also the 4 planets closest to the Sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are the 4 gas giants. They are also the 4 planets furthest away from the Sun. Constellations, constellations, constellations. These constellations are probably going to be in our night sky. There are so many. Our chairs turned round and round in, well, just one loop though. But it was beautiful. On the dome of the roof, it was amazing. These are 2 Apollo astronaut uniforms. In the middle of them, there is a circle with Apollo astronaut badges on it. This is a model of a rocket. It looks so realistic, but it's a lot smaller than a real one would be. This is a model of a black hole. It also has a small, tiny model of the moon that can go in the black hole. I didn't know that a black hole should look like that, even on a model. These are bits and pieces of asteroids that has crashed onto Earth. Amazing! This is 2 pictures of the Sun and a video of an explosion that it could make. This is a picture of our solar system. It's got the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It also has a picture of dwarf planets and Plutoids. Wow, I didn't know they were called Plutoids. Wow. Here we go again. More Plutoids and dwarf planets. I'm sure that says Pluto. And that must say Eris. Does anybody know what Pluto's moon is? Do you? Do you? I guess not. Well, if you want to find out what the names of all these Plutoids and dwarf planets are, why don't you pause the video and have a look? It might be very hard, but at least you know what, that one is Pluto and the other is probably Eris. There is another asteroid belt beyond Neptune's orbit. It is called the Kuiper belt. Pluto lifts its orbit so it doesn't get stuck in the Kuiper belt. This is the Oort cloud. It is further away than the Kuiper belt. If you would like to find out more information about the Oort cloud, go to stardome and have a good time. In the middle, there are pictures of meteors. On the right, there's a picture of a meteor falling by itself. On the left, there's a picture of a meteor shower. How beautiful. Well, meteors don't hurt anybody, but asteroids could. They could make a big, huge explosion. This is a picture of target Earth. It says, how often do we get hit? So, let's have a look. Target Earth.
Bam!
This is when asteroids hit the ground. I think, as I recall, this is in Russia. It could really hurt that man, but at least it's too far away to hit him.